When you apply for funding through the National Student Financial Aid Scheme, NSFAS, your application goes through multiple stages before a final decision is made. Each stage comes with a status update you can track on your MyNSFAS account, WhatsApp, or USSD. Here's what each one means. 1. Application submitted. Your application has been received successfully by NSFAS. At this stage, NSFAS is yet to review your details. What to do? Just wait. No further action needed unless you are asked for supporting documents. 2. Filtering. Vertical traffic light NSFAS is checking whether you meet the basic requirements: South African citizen, household income threshold under R350,000, etc. What to do? Nothing. This is an automated process. 3. Validation. Memo your personal details, such as ID number, names, and financial info, are being verified with government databases like SASSA, Department of Home Affairs, and SARS. What to do? If details don't match, you may be asked to upload supporting documents. 4. Evaluation. Magnifying glass tilted left, NSFAS officers are assessing the documents and information you provided, e.g., income proof, identity, and academic qualifications. What to do? Monitor your MyNSFAS portal. If documents are rejected, you will be asked to re-upload them. 5. Awaiting academic results/admission. Nsfas is waiting for confirmation from your university or TVET college that you have been admitted to study and you meet the academic requirements. What to do? Ensure you have registered or are in the process of registering at your chosen institution. 6. Awaiting registration. Nsfas is waiting for your institution to submit your registration data. Without this confirmation, NSFAS cannot release funding. What to do? Register at your institution as soon as possible so that your details are sent to NSFAS. 7. Provisionally funded. Your application is successful, but final confirmation depends on your institution providing your registration details. What to do? Make sure your registration is completed so that funding can be activated. 8. Funded. Party popper, congratulations! Nsfas has approved your application and you will receive funding for tuition, accommodation, learning materials, and allowances. What to do? Ensure your bank details or Nsfas wallet is active to receive allowances. 9. Unsuccessful. Unfortunately, Nsfas has declined your application. Reasons may include: household income exceeds R350,000 per year. You already hold another bursary or qualification. Missing or invalid documents. You did not meet academic requirements. What to do? You can appeal the decision through your MyNSFAS portal within the appeal window. 10. Awaiting appeal outcome. If you appealed, SFAS is reassessing your case. What to do? Wait for the outcome. You'll be notified via your portal or SMS/email. Always log into MyNSFAS regularly to track updates. Double-check that your documents are clear and certified before uploading. Register at your institution early to avoid delays in funding. If your application is unsuccessful, appeal immediately with the correct documents. If this video helps you, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more updates on scholarships, universities, nursing, colleges, bursaries, learnerships, careers, internships, loans, jobs, and study opportunities.